Alright, so here we go. Out at the ponds. Ride the KX 450. Just trying to get out, get a couple laps in. Really just came out today, test out the new GoPro. Picked up a GoPro Hero 9. The 8 finally kind of gave up the ghost on me. I was just going to buy another 8, but the price difference between the 8 and the 9 just wasn't much, and I figure I get a little more battery with the 9 than you do with the 8, so decided to go ahead and upgrade. I think the 8 was a great camera. Hopefully the 9 meets the needs for sure. It's a little bigger than the 8. I don't really love that, but it's not bad. Yeah, I just thought I'd come over to the ponds. It's close to home. Save a little gas money, you know. Let's go spin a couple laps. Well, the 450 was running really well. I could barely hold on to this thing. It was really bugging my hands. This thing pulls like a tractor. It's a fun bike to ride, but I'm definitely not in good enough shape to hold on to it for very long. Quite a few people out here today too, so trying to watch out for all the little kids that end up riding out here. Love to see it. It's great to see the families out. 4th of July weekend. Usually when I come out here, I just come up with kind of a little track to run, spin some laps on it, just try to tire myself out trying to hold on to this thing. The pond's not a lot of fun riding out here, not for me at least. There's some jumps and other things like that, but I don't do a lot of jumping anymore. I actually learned how to ride dirt bikes out here when I was 12 years old on my 1986 Kawasaki KDX-8. Good times. My mom used to bring me out here after working all night at the hospital. She'd bring me out here and sleep in the van while I rode for a couple hours. Some of the best days of my life right there. Look at me, I'm still out here doing it. But anyhow, that's about all I got for this one. Until next time, I'm out.